Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the oil chart. I'm going to touch on the weekly chart, going on kind of the longer term picture, as well as the daily chart. I'm going to touch on some more specific near term levels here that I think are really going to help you out. So let's jump right into it. I want to point out, again, this is the weekly chart. And if you look here, last week had a potential reversal candle, okay, with that topping tail that you see right there. And if you notice where it happened, it's at this very familiar level right here that you can clearly see it getting a reaction to back here. Previously, you can see that, as well as it was support right here. So it was previous support turned into resistance. And as you can see, that's where we got rejected at last week, and that's where we're continuing lower this week. So the other thing I want to point out is that right now, as of right now, we are, let's see, the low of last week was 1544. So right now, if the week closed today, we would be closing below last week's low. Okay, so that would be a confirmation of that reversal signal that we saw last week. So most likely we'll head lower from here if the low of last week continues to be broken here for USO. So let's kind of zoom it in here a little bit. The last 2 years of action, I want to kind of touch on. This is still the weekly chart. Again, we're going to touch on the daily chart, but here is that major uptrend right here. Okay, major uptrend that served us for the last couple of years. Okay, so very key uptrend here, and we're still well above that level. And this is why it's so important, is because look how many times it's bounced off of this level. I mean, just so many times right there, many times. Okay, so we've got the support right there, and it lines up perfectly with this 20 period moving average, which is the blue line right there. You can see that, you know, we've gotten bounces. If it wasn't the trend line, it was the 20 period simple moving average that was getting bounces right there. So that is lining up as well. We also have an additional support level right where it's at. It was previous resistance right there. You can see right there, and then it turned into support as we broke over it right there. So right around 1440 on USO. If we head lower, I think we'll definitely get, at the very least, a short-term bounce. Okay, so that's the main level here on USO and oil. So let's kind of zoom in and see if we can see anything else on the daily chart that we didn't quite see on the weekly chart. So pretty much the same thing here. You know, that 1440 level, I'm not seeing anything that I didn't see on the weekly chart here. So let's just kind of touch on that again. And you can clearly see that, yeah, that 1440 level is a key level. We've got a lot of sideways trading in this level. So if and when we do head lower, I definitely think that 1440 is a bounce zone. In the short term, I definitely think that we are headed lower. So short term, I think that we're headed lower. That's the direction based off of this, especially if we close below last week's low. Okay, especially if we continue to close below last week's low like we are currently. I think that we should head lower in the short term. But I'm definitely also, so I'd be shorting these highs, and also I'm a buyer of this dip down here against this 1440 level. Which brings me to my next question here. Are you unhappy with your results in the stock market? And be honest with yourself. Okay? Answer this question honestly. Are you sick and tired of watching the stock market boom? You know, whether it's up or down, you know, we're able to profit on the market whichever direction is. So are you tired of watching the market boom while you have nothing to show for it? You know, maybe you make a winning trade here or there, but at the end of the day, you're lacking consistency, and you're not really making money at the end of the month or the end of the quarter, and definitely not at the end of the year. All right. And I want to assure you, I want to let you know that it doesn't have to be that way. I'm sorry that you haven't had, consistent success in the market, but I want to let you know that it doesn't have to be that way. Okay. And a way that you can kind of change that is by joining us here at thetradinganalyst.com. And the main thing here at the service that you're going to get when you sign up and join today is the real-time trade alerts here. And these are always pre-researched by me, and they're both buy and sell alerts with exact entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. All right, we've been doing this for over a decade, and you're getting access to our expertise when you sign up and join. All right, and the cool thing about this is going to allow you to start making money right now in the market. While other traders are out there scrambling during this market downturn, we actually made money last week, and we broke even this week. Not many traders out there can say that they did that on these last 2 weeks. Of course, we do a lot better during other weeks, but to say that we broke even on this week and we made money on last week, while most traders were losing money on both of these weeks, that is a testament to our success. We've been there before. We've seen market dips. We know exactly what to do when it happens, and we protect ourselves and we protect our members, and you're going to get that protection when you sign up and join today. And this is going to allow you to use our proven system. That's how you're going to be able to start making money, is you're going to be able to access our proven system via these real-time trade alerts. All right. This proven system has worked in both up and down markets for many, many years. So this is also going to save you time, because right now what you're likely doing is going over a bunch of charts, doing a bunch of analysis, reading a bunch of news articles, maybe watching CNBC, and at the end of the day, you're doing all that stuff, but it's not producing any results. So that right there is kind of a waste of time, and you're not going to have to do that anymore, because when you sign up and join, you can let the professionals handle that for you. That's what we do. That's what we handle, and you're no longer going to have to handle that when you join us. And this is also, going to allow you to trade from anywhere, because these alerts are sent via text message. If you have a full-time job, part-time job, if you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, a student, it doesn't matter. This is going to work for you, because all you need is a cell phone to participate in these winning trades. And the goals here for these real-time trade alerts are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month. We've got more than that this particular month. Just kind of depends on what's going on in the market. Sometimes we issue a lot of alerts, sometimes not so many. We focus on quality and not quantity, okay? And that's how you grow your account on a consistent basis, month after month, year after year. It's about focusing on quality and not just trading because the market is open. So our next goal here is 100% to 500% returns per each trade. And we trade mostly options, and that's how we're able to achieve gains like this. And the next goal here is $100,000 in annual returns, and that number is very realistic when you're making the kinds of trades that we're making with the options on a regular basis. And you're not only going to get the real-time trade alerts, you're also going to get the options masterclass. You're going to get the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos. You're going to get the professional trading watch list. And again, guys, you need all of these to be successful. Okay, the real-time trade alerts are valued at $2,997. Options masterclass, $997. The exclusive Millionaire Trader videos, almost $1,000. And then the professional trading watch list. The main thing here with the watch list is, a big reason why most traders fail. 90% of traders fail. A big reason that 90% of traders fail is because they're not coming prepared to the market every single day with a plan of action. Okay. The first step is coming with a plan. The second step is actually sticking to that plan. And a lot of people lack the discipline to actually make the watch list, and then they lack the discipline to actually follow the watch list. And if that sounds like you, don't worry, because it's a very familiar territory. But you don't have to worry about that anymore because you can rely on our professional trading watch list as well as our discipline to actually stick to it. And actually, you know, the third piece of that puzzle here, you've got the discipline to make the watch list, the discipline to stick to the watch list. And the third thing is you actually have to know what you're doing and actually use a proven process with that and a proven strategy. So that's valued at almost 600 bucks, bringing it to a total value of everything that you're going to get when you sign up and join to $5,588. And you can get started today for only $699. It's one payment of $699. That's going to give you access for the entire year to everything that I just mentioned. You're not going to have to pay the $5,588. You're only going to have to pay $699. And it's a special offer. It's a limited time offer. So I want to kind of make that clear to you. It's not going to be around forever. So to kind of put that in perspective, if you broke it down into a monthly payment, again, it's a one-time payment, but if it were broken down into monthly payments, it'd be $58 a month, which is cheaper than your cell phone bill. Okay, if you broke it down to a daily rate, it'd be $190 a day, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. All right, so put that into perspective. And the difference here between cell phone bill and a cup of coffee is those things, you spend money on them and it disappears. Okay, yes, you get to drink some coffee. Yes, you get to use your cell phone, but it's not returning anything on your investment. So the difference is here with the Trading Analyst Premium membership is that money is going to come back to you with these trades. And, you know, a lot of my members make their money back from their annual membership on their very first trade. So it's a big return on your investment. So I want to warn you that it is a special offer and it is ending soon. If you visit the page and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you're not going to be able to join. And I'm very serious about that. The other thing too is that by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. We have to limit the amount of people that we can help because I'm investing my individual time and attention to each individual member. And I hope that you would want the utmost attention to you and your trading. I mean, this is serious business. Trading in the markets, we're talking about your hard-earned money. We take it very seriously, and that's why we limit the amount of people that can come in because we want to take it very seriously for each individual member, and that's why we have to limit it. So once the capacity is met, then that's it. 0 people are going to be let in, and I really mean that. A lot of people, every time we have openings, right now we have an opening, but in the past we've had openings, and people will come to me and they'll beg me to let them in after we've hit the capacity. And I have to tell them, you know, I'm sorry. It's not about the money. It's about, you know, providing the best service possible. And, you know, no matter how much you pay, you're not going to be able to be let in. And I'm very serious about that. So if you want to sign up, you got to do it right now. All right. And when you sign up and join us, you're no longer going to have to struggle to make money in the market. All right. You're no longer going to have to wonder what it's like to make money in the market on a consistent basis. You're no longer going to have to watch the stock market boom while you have nothing to show for it. And I want to assure you that you've come to the right place, okay? You are in the right place. If you've struggled to get results and you want to get results, this is the place to be because plain and simple, we help struggling traders get results. We help people start from 0 results or even negative results to now getting amazing results. Many of our members are now making 6 figures in the market annually. And, you know, it's really simple, guys. For the price of a coffee a day, actually less than the price of a coffee a day, you can make daily profits like this. Okay, these are just a few of my recent daily gains here. 800 bucks, 1900 bucks, 72 bucks was a small day, 1700 bucks, almost 3,000 bucks over here, 500 bucks. And you know, these are the kinds of gains that I'm getting, and these are the kinds of trades that I'm issuing to our members here. You're getting access to every single trade that I make in real time. All right. And here's what I want you to do right now. Click the button below this video and fill out the registration form. Then you can log in instantly to the private members area and watch the welcome video that we've created for you. We don't just slap you on your butt and hope that you're going to have success. We walk you through every step of the way so you can have the most success possible. And the next thing here is you can get started with the training material. Again, it's not just the options masterclass. You're actually getting access to, we have almost 30 videos of recorded educational material that you're going to get instant access to. Anything from trading strategies to the options masterclass. I mean, we really cover it all, and you're going to get everything that you need in that full education suite. Then the last thing here is all you have to do is get ready for the trade alerts. As soon as the market opens, we're going to be issuing these trade alerts directly to your cell phone, and you're going to be able to participate in them. And that's it. So don't wait another second to sign up, guys. So what you got to do now is just scroll below this video, and you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up and join us today. And you're also getting the full education library. And scroll down here, and it's just $6.99 for the entire year, 12 months of access. And click this button, add to cart at 85% off. And you're going to get instant access to that special offer, and you're going to be taken instantly to the 100% secure checkout page, which we're at right now. And all you have to do is enter in your name, your email address, your password, and then enter in your valid phone number. Make sure there's a phone number that you can receive texts on, because that's how you receive the buy and sell alerts. And then you just scroll down here and enter in your billing information. And once you've done that, you can click this button, I agree with the terms of service, and then click this button right here, submit order, and then you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about today. If you want to check out using PayPal, you can do that as well. If you're checking out with PayPal, you don't have to fill out your billing information down here. You're going to fill that out on the PayPal secure checkout page. So that's it. So submit order or check out using PayPal, and then you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about. Most importantly, when you enter in your cell phone, you're getting instant access to the trade alerts. So as soon as the market opens, we're going to give you these alerts, and you're going to be able to participate in them on a daily basis. And I really look forward to seeing you in there and helping you grow your account on a consistent basis. I'll see you in there.